Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right but your YouTube videos just aren't taking off? You put in the effort, you hit upload, and then absolutely nothing. No views, no engagement, and definitely no viral moment. Well, you might be making some major mistakes without even realizing it. And in 2025, YouTube's algorithm is more advanced than ever. It's very brutal on creators who break the rules, and that's without exceptions. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal 13 costly YouTube mistakes that could be wrecking your channel's growth. And trust me, mistake number 1 is an instant channel killer. Let's check these mistakes now. YouTube's rules aren't static, they keep changing constantly. Do you know all the rules? What was okay last year could now get you demonetized. Yes, not a single penny, or even get banned. Here are some common rule breakers. Using copyrighted content, even if they are short clips being used without permission. Here's a big no-no. Spreading misinformation. YouTube is cracking down hard. Not disclosing sponsorships can also get you banned. Make sure to disclose the sponsorship according to YouTube's guidelines. Always check YouTube's official policy updates and avoid anything that might risk demonetization or strikes. Clickbait might get clicks, but it kills viewers' trust immediately. Trust me, they know the difference. If viewers feel tricked, they'll click off fast. And that destroys your video's ranking in YouTube's algorithm. Use attention-grabbing titles and thumbnails, but keep them honest. Make sure your thumbnail visually tells the story of your video, not about something unrelated. Over 75% of YouTube views come from mobile. If your videos aren't mobile-friendly, you're losing views. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts and thumbnails. Optimize your shorts. YouTube is pushing short-form video hard right now, so maximize on that. This is big! If viewers click off early, YouTube stops recommending your video. What? Yes, the first 30 seconds are everything. Skip long intros, get to the point fast, time is master. Tease what's coming to keep viewers hooked right away. YouTube is not about you, it's about what you can do for your audience. If you're just rambling, they'll leave. Make sure you are solving their problems, teach something. Entertain, inspire. Keep videos fast-paced and structured, no fluff. YouTube's algorithm rewards engagement. This is where your views shoots up overnight. If people comment and you don't reply, you're missing out. Reply to comments, ask questions, pin a top comment. Using too many keywords can actually hurt your video. Yes, it's true. YouTube knows when you're spamming, so fix this by using natural keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags, not excessive stuffing. Captions boost views and engagement. YouTube even ranks videos higher that have them. It makes it easier to read along. To fix this, use YouTube's auto captions or upload your own. Just uploading a video isn't enough. You need to get it in front of people. Fix this mistake by sharing it on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. You know, one of the biggest pitfalls for many creators is uploading inconsistently. Do this instead? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Stick to a consistent schedule, even if it's just once a week. Trust me, your audience will appreciate it, and you'll see better engagement too. Make sure to check your channel analytics weekly, see what's working and double down. Do this correction here. Make YouTube Shorts so your channel will grow faster. When uploading videos to YouTube, here are some features that you should consider turning on or off. Turn on closed captions. Adding closed captions can improve video accessibility, increase watch time, and enhance user experience. Add tags. Relevant tags can help your video appear in search results, related videos, and recommendations. The description. A detailed description can provide context, include links, and encourage viewers to engage with your content. The thumbnails. Custom thumbnails can grab viewers' attention, increase click-through rates, and improve video visibility. The end screens. End screens can promote your channel, encourage subscriptions, and drive traffic to your website. The cards. Cards can provide additional information, link to external websites, and enhance viewer engagement. Monetization. If you're eligible, enable monetization to earn revenue from ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Turn off the comments. If you're not prepared to moderate comments or don't want to encourage discussion, consider disabling comments. The ratings. If you're concerned about negative ratings impacting your video's visibility, consider disabling ratings. Embedding. If you don't want others to embed your video on their websites, consider disabling embedding. License. If you're not comfortable with others using your content under a Creative Commons license, consider disabling the license. Age restriction. If your content is not suitable for all ages, consider enabling age restriction to limit visibility. Consider carefully. The autoplay on the intro video. Autoplay can be convenient for some viewers, but it can also be annoying. Consider your audience's preferences. Looping. Looping can be useful for certain types of content, like music videos or animations. However, it can also be distracting. Annotations. Annotations can provide additional information, but they can also be distracting. Consider using end screens or cards instead. Remember to review YouTube's community guidelines, terms of service, and monetization policies to ensure you're complying with their requirements. Big warning! Buying views or subscriptions will get you shadow banned or banned outright. You will be banned so hard you won't even feel it coming. For real. Do this instead. Focus on quality content. Do your research on your topic and then create that awesome content. Real engagement beats fake numbers. Real engagement gives rewards. Fake engagements will get you banned. Which mistake have you made before? Comment below and let's change up our videos. Hit like and subscribe for more growth hacks. See you soon.